how to play Roblox. So first, let's go to the Roblox website. So it's just named roblox.com. So I'm just going to show you, click right here. So just simply type on roblox.com, then click on answer on your keyboard and just open up any game that you want. So one of the most played games right now is Blox Fruits. So I'm going to show you how to play it. Just simply search for Blox Fruit. So here at the top, just search for Blox Fruits. And wait for it to load. And as you can see, it popped up right here. So I'm just simply click on that. And now the Blox Fruits loaded. And now you could pick a side. Let's say I went to Pirates. And my character, as you can see, I am already on level 654. But I'm going to show you the controls real quick. So if you want to move, use your W key to move forward, use your A key to move to the left, use your S key to move backwards, and use your D key to move to the right. And to move your screen, you just need to simply hold your right click on your mouse and drag it so that you could move it. But the one thing I can do, or the one thing that I do to have a more better gaming experience is I'm just going to go to escape. Just click on escape on my keyboard, then go to settings. Then as you can see, I'm going to switch the camera mode to default classic, and I'm just going to turn on the shift lock switch right there. And when I click on my shift button, as you can see, it will lock with my mouse, and now I don't need to hold my right click button to play. And for other controls, if you click on space, most of the time it will make you jump just like so. And for some games, it can make a double jump just by simply click on our space bar 2 times. And there are multiple controls for particular games. So for Roblox, there are tons of controls. So when I click on my skills, as you can see, you could use a Z key, the X key, the C key, and the V key. So there are a ton of controls. It's just depending on the games. But if you want to see all of the controls, you could just go to escape, settings, or here at the help on the very right side. As you can see, you could see some of the controls right here. So it may not say all of the controls like the Z, X, C, V, but it could say, or it could show some of the important controls that you will need to play the game or that particular game. And that's basically a quick guide on how to play Roblox.